Oil-free UV Replenish is a 100% physical active sunscreen that restores moisture to dry, stressed skin. Zinc oxide and titanium dioxide provide mineral-based sun protection in a moisturizing and water-resistant formula. This zinc oxide facial sunscreen with broad spectrum coverage protects against UVA and UVB rays from the sun. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply after 40 minutes of swimming or sweating immediately after towel drying at least every 2 hours. Top reviews from the United States. Moisturizer and protection. I love the Elta sunscreen. I bought this instead of the tinted by mistake, but very happy with it, and same quality goes a long way. At first you might look like a ghost, but it does absorb well and disappears into skin, does well under makeup.